we've got a new parametric shape that you can use for testing taper angle control values. In the shape library now, there'll be this 5 fingers part here. So to get this, you can go to the WARDCAM update website, so help menu, about WARDCAM, and then click on the WARDCAM site, and that'll bring you to the Akulu wiki page. And then at that time you would close WARDCAM because you'll need to have this closed to do the install. Click on this link here, download the latest version, which should be from December 15, and step through the process. You don't need to delete the current WARDCAM. This is something that'll just copy the new file into the shape library directory, so you don't need to delete before installing WARDCAM. Just download it and install it, and then once you start it back up, you'll have this shape. Of course, we've had this shape in here for a few months now, which is a similar type thing where you can apply 5 different qualities and measure, but if you prefer, you can do this one here. Got the 5 different fingers. So width of finger, it would be that width there. Height of fingers, height from the top of the finger down to the bottom of the notch here. Hole diameter, don't have to cut the holes if you don't want to. Primary reason I put the holes in there was to make it easier to get the part out of the piece of material, because if you don't have any holes, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. If you don't want to cut the holes, or you only want to cut one of the holes, you can just add the toolpath to one of the holes. And gap between the fingers, base heights, height from here down to here. So of course if we change these, we can see what it's going to do and see where it is here. So and then as you change these, it shows you what the overall length and height of the part is. So if we change that, so once you've got numbers that you like, click on the check button and then step through the process. Of course, if you're doing taper angle control, you'll be choosing one of the Apex 60 machines, and then you can go into your material and cut it, and then if you need to make any adjustments, come into the database, material database, turn on your advanced tab, click on the taper tab, and then plug in your top and bottom values for each of those fingers, and then click on adjust taper angle, and you'll see these numbers up here will adjust accordingly. Any questions on that? Let us know. Thanks.